Hola! My name is Limari, and today I want to show you the Birchbox. I bought this Birchbox for $1. $1. Can you believe that? So today we're going to be unboxing the Birchbox. Let's see how it is. I'm super excited. I didn't do the subscription on the Birchbox. Oh yes, I did the subscription. I did the subscription. What I didn't do, I got a different subscription. This is a new subscription. I'm so excited. Let me tell you something. I have the Ipsy subscription, and what I don't have the subscription is about the glossy box. I did the glossy box and I only bought one box for them. You don't have to do a subscription. You can just buy a box if you want to. For them, the first box was $1. They have a few different options. It could be 2 boxes for the price of one for your first month, or it could be $1 for your first box. So I did that one. And I'm super happy. Okay, it's open. It's open. It's open. It's open. Let's see how it's look first. When we open it, there's another box inside. So let's see. Oh, this box, it's so pretty. Let's see. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Suspense music. Do-dum, 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 do-dum. Oh. Okay, first, it has 2 cards. One card, it says, "Dear self, action require rest." Okay, it's a little letter for yourself. Let's make finding beauty stuff fun. It's super fun. I love it. A little hot in here. Sorry, guys. This is so crazy. Okay. Let's see what we have. We have hand sanitizer. Where is the camera? Right here. I have sun catcher. It's a primer. Sun catcher leave-in conditioner for the hair. I need this, girl. I need this for this hair. My hair. I have hair for like 3 people. Okay. We have mascara. Mascara. It says Candle Nut Body Cream Moisturizer for the body. And we have here, actually we have 2 more things. We have this. I really don't know how to focus. Under eye brightening serum. Under eye cream. And lip chic. Kissed. Lip and chic. So this could be for the lips and for the cheeks. Let's see how it is. It's really tiny. So cute. It smells really good. Okay, so unboxing Birchbox. It brought more things that I thought it was going to bring. It's actually really nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 things, and it actually was $1. My first Birchbox. Cool, huh? I'm so happy. So I'm going to start making more videos. Yesterday I received my first glossy box. I'm gonna get it. This is how the glossy box came, but I'm going to do another video, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you just one thing that came in the glossy box, and it's so cute. Because I don't think I'm gonna do an unboxing of my glossy box. Just comment if you would like to see, if you would like a video to see other boxes. I have Ipsy subscription, I have the Birchbox, I have the Leap one. It's called Leap Monthly. Look how cute. This came in my glossy box. It's lip balm. Also, quiero saber si te gustaría que yo hiciera videos en español. Tú sabes, puedes sentir mi acento, así que saben que yo no hablo mucho inglés. Mi primer idioma es el español. Así que si quieren que haga los videos en español, comenta y dime, prefiero que hables español. Tú no sabes hablar inglés. O we can do bilingual videos, Spanish and English videos. So let me know, what do you like? This is my official, I have a lot of dumb videos that I've been doing, but I want to be more consistent and I want to do videos. Also comment if you would like to see workout videos. Right now I just came back from a bike ride with my son, and I put a little bit of makeup after so I can do this video. But we can do workout videos, we can do boxing videos, we can do Zumba videos or aerobics, we can do yoga, or you can do makeup videos. I can do makeup tutorials. That will be cool. Tell me, what do you want to see? I can do stories about my life. I can do a lot of things. So I'm gonna start doing more videos. So stay tuned. Tell me, what would you like to know about me? And stay tuned. Comment, subscribe, press notifications. Hopefully I can make a lot of videos so you can see everything. This was from my shitty phone, so hopefully I can get a better camera. So stay tuned. Tell me if you hate me or love me. Bye bye. Peace and love.